HU64 key duplication for Mercedes-Benz. At first, cut by beating. Search the key HU64. HU64 has 3 types. How to tell the difference? The first one, 580, 450. The third is 400. Let's measure the first cut distance and confirm which one we should choose. The distance is 400. We'll choose the third one, 400. Guiding picture will show you how to install the key on the clamp. Identify the original key bearing. Continue. Check the key cuts after identify. Install a new key blank before cutting. Click Cut and continue. Finish cutting both sides. It looks nice. Cutting perfect.